So, remember our last chat about Meta's limited edition drop? Well, Coperni just teamed up with Ray-Ban for their first ever fashion branded collab, and they've introduced the Ray-Ban Meta by Coperni Limited Edition glasses. They're part of Coperni's Fall/Winter 2025 lineup and mix the classic Wayfarer vibe with a cool translucent twist on a sleek black-gray frame. These glasses aren't just a nod to last year's transparent editions, they really take it up a notch with gray mirrored lenses and a bold Coperni logo on the arm. It's all about making a statement without even saying a word. Now, here's something you might be wondering. With the higher price tag of $549, are we getting some crazy new features? Not really. These limited edition glasses pack all the same smart features as the regular Ray-Ban Meta models. You still get all your essentials like Shazam to snap that song you can't get out of your head, voice-activated music on Spotify and Amazon Music, and even Meta AI that helps you remember your day-to-day stuff. And if you're in the US or Canada with early access, you're treated to live AI support and real-time translation between English, Spanish, French, and Italian. So why the extra $250? It's all about exclusivity. There are only 3,600 pairs available, which makes them a hot ticket for collectors and fashion enthusiasts who want something truly unique. It's not about adding new tech, it's about owning a piece of limited edition style that sets you apart. Sales start this Monday at 1 in the morning Pacific Daylight Time, 9 in the morning Central European Time on Meta, Ray-Ban, and Coperni's online stores. If you're all about blending top-notch tech with high fashion vibes and you love the thrill of owning something exclusive, then these are definitely worth checking out. Mark your calendars, set your alarms, and get ready for a style upgrade that's as smart as it is chic. So what do you think? Are you excited to get your hands on a pair? Let me know in the comments. Peace.